Hello Biology Honors parents, this is Mr. Wolf and thank you for watching this video on my Biology Honors class. I first want to let you all know how excited I am to have the opportunity to teach at Vernon Hills High School. We have a long history of achieving great things at Vernon Hills, and I consider myself fortunate to be part of such an amazing school and amazing community. Let me show you how to get to the Biology Honors website. First, go to my website at www.mrwolfsci.weebly.com and click on the menu. There you should find the link to Biology Honors. On this page you'll see a calendar and several resources for my Biology Honors class. Feel free to add this Google Calendar to your own collection of calendars. The main thing I would like to show you is the course expectations for our class. You can find it posted here. This document has a lot of information, so I would just like to give you a few highlights. First, I want to point out the part that reads, "Why you are here." In alignment with our District 128 Daring Mission statement, this course really focuses on thinking of science as a verb. You can expect that your child will be doing a lot of questioning, investigating, analyzing, and explaining biological concepts and phenomena. I also wanted to point out the 4 keys to success in our science class. They are respect and a good attitude, work smarter, not harder, independent thinking, and keeping your teacher happy. Here at Vernon Hills High School, we're all about respecting each other and coming to school with a good attitude. This will go far in the 4 years your child will be here at school. I tell my students you get to choose your attitude when you walk in this door. The Work Smarter Not Harder link will open up a document that I think will really help your child succeed not only in my class, but all the high school classes that they will take. It is based off of a book that I've read a while back titled Make It Stick. This book was all about how the brain learns and how to move knowledge into long-term memory storage. Over the past few years, I have incorporated many of the ideas from this book into my teaching. I would check this link out. Here, we have a learning management tool that will help your child manage their time better. This page helps them prepare for quizzes and tests. And finally, down here, I have suggested ways to study. All of these resources are meant to help your students succeed in school. Under the course summary, you can see our textbook information. We will use Chemical Biology Concepts and Connections, and each student has been issued an e-text version through our Pearson Mastering Biology platform. This allows them to use a textbook at home and at school without having to carry around a heavy textbook. This textbook has a high reading level that will really prepare your child well for the rest of the high school science classes. The main assignments your child will be completing will be in the form of practice questions on mastering biology that go along with the readings that I will assign. My philosophy on homework is its purpose is for practice and therefore not graded for correctness, but rather on completeness. These assignments are designed to prepare each student for our unit exams. Another form of homework will be labs. The Vernon Hills Science Department teaches science as a verb, so we do a lot of labs in Biology Honors. You can expect your child to be working on some sort of lab document almost weekly. We feel that the best way to learn science is to actually do science. You can read over the assessments and grades, but one thing I would like to point out is that grades will be weighted. 45% of your child's grade will be based on labs and 5% on assignments. The other 50% of the grade will be based on assessments. Because a big weight is put on assessments, all students may use the opportunity to retake any or all parts of the unit assessment, as long as all homework for that unit has been completed, including adaptive follow-ups in mastering biology. Assessments retake should occur approximately 2 weeks after the test is handed back in class and will be retaken during an agreed time between me and them. Students will be required to show how they have utilized multiple methods of studying in order to retake the assessment. The deadline for any retake will be 2 weeks before the beginning of final exams. All retakes are earned at my discretion. Being new to Vernon Hills High School, I wanted to point out my Chromebook policy. We use your child's Chromebook all the time in class, and it's essential that they come to class with it fully charged, ready to work. Every time someone forgets their Chromebook, it really takes away from their learning experience. Any and all help at home with getting the Chromebooks charged and in their backpacks would be greatly appreciated. The last part of the document I want to talk to you about is the supplies needed for class. The supplies needed for Biology Honors is a 1/2 inch to 1 inch 3-ring binder dedicated to biology class. I feel it's really important that your child stays organized in school, and keeping all your biology documents in one place instead of a multi-purpose folder is the best trick to doing that. They will also need a spiral notebook or some kind of notebook paper, which can be put into that binder, colored pencils for labeling diagrams in class, number 2 pencils, blue and black ink pens, and because we use a lot of videos in class, having headphones or earbuds for their Chromebooks would be very helpful. Finally, I am really excited for a fun year in Biology Honors, and I look forward to seeing your child succeed in this challenging yet rewarding course. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, and again, I look forward to meeting all of you soon. Thanks for watching.